Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see this. This is the question given over here, and we are going to find the value of x square plus y square. So it's given here if x square is equal to 6 and this x plus x square y plus xy square plus y is equal to 63. So let us write the same thing over here. So what I did over here, now look at this one, this equation. I rearranged this one. I brought it together and this here. So now this we can also write here, we can put it in the bracket. So this will divide it into two groups. So this we can also write this one, we can put a bracket and we can write over here 1. So 1 into anything is going to be the same. And from this one, what you can see that xy is common. So that will keep outside the bracket. So in the bracket now see x square y means x will be in the bracket. When you multiply this into this, you get this one. And when you multiply this into this, you get this. So now what you can see, this is the both in the bracket, we have x plus y, that we are going to write it only once. And what is outside the bracket, 1 plus xy, that will be in the other bracket. And 63 will be as it is. So now what this will be the same thing over here. So 1 is here and we have the value of xy. Xy is 6. So in place of this xy, we'll put 6 and this is 63. So now again this same 6 plus 1 is, this will be 7 and this is 63. So now this is actually nothing but this is multiplication. So now this again the same. So this is the right hand side, 63 there on the numerator. And when you take this 7 on the right hand side, that is going to get divided. So now this is the same. 7 ones are and 7 nines are 63. So we'll get here 9. So x plus y you got as 9. So we want the value of x square plus y square. So what are we going to do here? First we'll square this and this one. So we'll write here squaring both sides. So when you square this as well as this one, so now see here. So you know there is a formula that is x plus y square, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Or you can also write that as x square first and then you will take this one plus y square and this one. Anyways you can write it. So what I did, I showed you both the ways. So now why did I do this one? So now it becomes easier for me to put the values and we want the value of x square plus y square. So now see here, let us consider this one. The formula for that, x plus y whole bracket square. This is the formula for that. So now in place of this xy, we'll put 6 because we know that xy is 6 and the rest all is the same. And this is 81, again here the same. So again this is going to be the same. This will be 12, this 81 the same. So now again this is the same. So this is the right hand side, 81 the same, but when we take this 12 plus 12 on the other side, it is going to be minus 12. So when you solve this one, you get 69. So now you got the value of x square plus y square is 69. So by this way, we have completed this one question over here. Please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts. So thank you.